How to delete a contact on WhatsApp. Want to delete contact on WhatsApp but don't know how? Hi everyone, this is Rose and I'll walk you through to delete a contact on WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch WhatsApp application. Sign in. Tap plus icon at bottom right corner to access contact page. Choose a contact which you want to delete. Tap on the name at top of your screen. Then you will come across this info page. Select three dots at top right and tap on view in address book. You will come across this page. You need to scroll down and see the delete option. Choose that and this contact will be removed from all your sync devices including WhatsApp. Contact sync with Google Contacts will be moved to the trash. So you can choose the delete button and delete from your entire sync devices including WhatsApp. So in this way you can delete a contact on WhatsApp. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.